To change the language on your Garmin Tactix or Fenix, press and hold the menu button, then go up to go at the very bottom and select System. From here you can select the language you want into that huge list. And when you got the one you want, you select it and then you're done. You can come back to the main page with the back button. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.